Hey, welcome. I'm Vishal, working as a product consultant at Moody's. So, on day-to-day work, the financial analysts, especially at the rating organization, they read, analyze 300 to 600 pages of annual reports, call script, or any different kind of financial documents. And their biggest fear is not to miss any numbers or any ratio, but they always fear about missing any hidden signals which can bury deep in these hundreds of pages of this huge document. So this started from one conversation when I spoke to senior credit analyst Gautam Sonar at the Moody's, and he told me that I'm always afraid of missing important lines or text from the financial documents. That one sentence became the entire product for me, not a feature list, just a one fear that became the product. So here is a latent risk AI. I'm going to upload real call script now of the United Health Group, which I already downloaded and which is about to 20 to 25 pages. So now our tool will process these complete documents in chunks, and yes, it will happen in sequentially order, not randomly for every single page, because that hidden signals can appear anywhere, maybe at footnote, the chairman's letter, and generally it takes some time to analyze and process because it depending on the size of the documents. So as you see, here are the results. As of now, I kept the output in simple form like severity of the risk, which can be high, medium, low. The category, the evidence, why this particular risk is hidden. This is for simplification to the analyst and the source. Also, the tools has detector the signals in different categories like tone shift, numerical evidence, softening the language, or defensive language. This different kind of category it will fall. Now let me show you one specific signals. Let's take this first one only, which is about the membership loss, which falls under numerical evidence category. And these are the exact lines from the call script. And this is the reason why this risk is hidden because they have lost members about 1.3 to 1.4 million, but they kept this in middle of the paragraph after putting some margin improvement sentence. This is the reason why this particular risk signal is hidden, and this is the source page 4 from where this particular risk signal came from. So analyst can go to the original call script and can verify at his end for more surety. So this is the core of the MVP. Another important thing is like over the prompt iteration, now it has almost zero hallucinations. Every signals linked back to the real script or document. I verified across 12 companies of different sectors like IT services, pharma, manufacturing, over the 2400s of pages. So I built this end to end from one conversation using Python Cloud API and Streamlit UI. The hardest part was not the code; it was the prompt. I went through multiple iterations, but actually breakthrough came when I stopped asking the model to find risk signals and instead I asked to find a language pattern that looks safe on the surface, but they are not actually. That one reframe change everything. So in short, prompt is the product strategy here, or we can say also LLM model layer or the documents. So basically what I want to show you here is not just a working tool, it is a complete PM process, which is a discovery, PID, architecture decisions, metric frameworks, version 2 roadmap, and these all things are well documented. So this is the latent risk AI. As of now, V1 is working and V2 is designed for cross-year comparison for tracking what management stop talking about year over year. So if you are looking for PM who can go from user conversation to identify the problem and then build from that zero to one product. So this is what that looks like. If you have any suggestion for that, I'm always open for it. The complete documentation is in portfolio project with two modes, snapshot and full mode. Please check that out. Like if you go here, here are two mode like snapshot and full mode. In snapshot, you get like just overview of everything like PID to the end of the project, and it is a full read mode. Here you will get the in depth of the whatever the decisions which I have made. So that is from my end. Thanks for watching.